y'all, it's your girl Angie with Blessed Creations. Y'all, the holidays are rolling by. Thanksgiving was good. I hope y'all had a blessed, thankful, wonderful Thanksgiving. No matter the circumstances, I just hope y'all had a blessed day. Let me say this. Thank y'all for all of my new subbies. I appreciate y'all. And thank y'all for my old subbies that are still here with your girl. Thank y'all so much. I have not done the basket. I know. But it's Blessed Creation, so that means anything I show on my channel is a creation from God. I am blessed to rather find it treasure hunting, making the baskets, whatever it is. I am so thankful and blessed to share it all with y'all, let y'all see. So I'm about to play a video that is showing y'all some of my previous baskets that I did make, just to give people ideas. I look at old videos and I'm like, why not? I don't mind looking at older videos, getting ideas. So I'm gonna put some of my little baskets out here that I made for Christmas. Was it last year? I believe it was last year. Yeah. Or the year before, one of them. Anyways, it's just to give you a little idea of what some of your baskets can look like, or you want to create them or not, but it's just give people ideas. That's the only reason why I'm going to put this video on. So y'all go and check that out. Stay here. Don't leave. Stay right here. Check out the little, it's very short. It ain't long at all. So, all right. So thank y'all. Until we meet again, y'all be blessed and go out there, be a blessing to someone else. But don't leave. Stay here and watch this video. Happy holiday.